Hi guys, today I'm gonna repair an electric vehicle charger. This one is a completely dead unit. There are two PCBs in here. Power comes in here from the left, goes out here. This is the relay, this is the ACDC converter, and here the control board. And our problems with this ACDC converter. So power comes in from the left through the fuse, but we don't have an output voltage. I marked the pinout on the connector. We see up here it's CT, that's current transformer, that's this one here. Then ground, the relay command, and 12 volt. So when we measure here the 12 volts, power is supplied now to the module. There's no voltage output. And when we supply 12 volt directly to the control board, it lights up. So we remove these 4 nuts and then lift up the PCB and replace the ACDC converter block. So we can use solder wick for this, or the desoldering pump. These are pretty large thermal masses. There are large traces with very small solder pads, so it can be quite difficult to remove this thing. Now before mounting a new DC-DC converter block, we need to make sure that the holes are open, completely open, and we can use a needle for that, especially for 2 of them. They are quite difficult to remove the solder. And when this is done, we head over to DigiKey, for example, if you are in North America, or to Mauser, and we order the little AC/DC converter. There's an extended temperature version of this component, and this is what I'm gonna choose. It goes down to -40 degrees. It's rated to -40 instead of -25. So it's this one here. So that's a single output 12 volt AC/DC converter. That's the temperature range. So this is the new component. We just have to assemble it. Now we can measure the 12 volts here at the output connector. And after this is done, put the connector back in place. The 4 screws. And it's working again. Yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching. Pretty easy repair. Good luck.